Welcome back to the channel. If you have not been here before, thank you for tuning in. I am SweetPetiteLatrice, and so disrespectful. And I'm bringing y'all this pretty and pink or pink. I'm bringing y'all a pink print look today with a little hint of gold in the corners. Okay, so when I decided to bring my channel back, I was, the channel didn't go nowhere. It was me. This time, I need to let y'all in a little bit. I'm just gonna give y'all a little insight to my life, and I'm going in with my pomade. This is in the shade dark chocolate, so this is what it looks like. You can find it on my website. And I used 2 pencils by the Crayoncase. This is a dual brush that has the brush end here and then the angled brush on this end. And then I use the number 2 pencil. This comes in a 7-pack, and I think she just separated this brush individually for like $3. So I use this brush as well. As always, I'm gonna leave the link to everything in the description box. So just drop that box down, click the link, find what you need. So your girl gonna be 30 this year. And my son will be 11 this month, actually. And it's just like, man, you really about to be 30. Like, my 20s just went by so fast. It's like, wait, I'm just now starting to catch up. I'm here. 30 ain't old, so, I'm embracing a lot of newness. I worked my entire 20s, like worked. You hear me? I am so indecisive right now. I'm at this point in my career where I'm like, sis, do you want your RN? Do you want your BSN? Are we going for a doctor's degree? Are we just going, what we gonna do? Because I'm not gonna lie, I really enjoy beauty. Like, I enjoy doing these tutorials, like, I don't know what to do. Help me design. I went ahead and just filled my brows off camera. I'm going in with, as always, P.Louise Rumour number 5 base. I love a creamy and thick base when it comes to my brows. As you see, I put a little dot on the back of my hand already. Coming a little further out than my brow, and I'm just staying right up under my brow and drawing a line. Okay, once you get that first line down, you just pull it down. That's all you're doing. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go up under here one more time. So at the top, same process, just pulling up instead of pulling down. Okay, so I went ahead and did the other side, and now I'm going to go in with Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush. We're gonna go ahead and blend this out. Going to this Watch Me Blush palette by the Crayoncase as well. I think I'm gonna try to use the whole top row. Start out with this cobbler right here. Get like right up under the brow area, kind of set that in place. Let's go into this tangerine orange. Gonna go into the cranberry color. Now I'm gonna go into this berries color. To be honest, y'all, I almost wiped this off because I realized I probably should have did the orange in the front, red in the back, but it's okay. We're gonna keep it moving. As you know, you mess up, but sometimes you gotta keep it going because you have to trust the process. Keep going, okay? Now we're going to use the loose leaf wipes by the Crayocase. We're gonna just take one of those wipes. We're gonna wipe our lid. Now we've allowed the area to dry. It's no longer wet. We're gonna go into P.Louise base number 0. So I'm gonna use this brush to cut my crease. Yeah, I don't remember where I got this brush from exactly. Into that strawberry cream color. We're just gonna pack it on. Okay, now we're gonna go into, got this white liquid liner by the Crayocase as well. So I'm gonna go into this. Okay, now we're gonna take this black liquid liner by NYX. We're gonna make us a wing. Okay, so now that we're done with the shadows, we're gonna go ahead and start priming our face. So I'm going in with this oil-free acne moisturizer by Neutrogena. It says it clears breakouts, lightweight. It is a very lightweight moisturizer. So I'm gonna put 2 drops. I'm gonna put the Photo Finishing Primer by Smashbox. Alright, so I went ahead and applied the lashes. I'm using Juvia's Place Concealer in the shade 11. Okay, so I'm going to go in. Kind of go up under that eye area. Okay, so I'm going in with Maybelline Master Camo. This is in the shade 50. And it's kind of like a little reddish pinky color, but this helps with dark spots. So I'm gonna cover those areas. I take Juvia's Place. It's like a crayon consistency, their foundation. This is in, if I'm pronouncing this right, Namibia. This is in the shade Namibia. That's what it looks like. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go right on top of that area where I use my color corrector. Okay, now I'm going in with the Crayocase Chalk Dust in the shade Y. This is my setting powder. Black Radiance True Complexion palette. This is the medium to dark, I want to say, palette. Oh yes, medium to dark palette. Okay, so I'm gonna go in starting with that dark shade. I'm gonna start there, and I'm gonna start with my cheeks. I'm gonna contour from my nose down, straight down towards my mouth. forehead, nose. So I don't do much. I kind of focus in right here by my eye and bring it down. Just a little hint of a shade. So it gives give me some structure back to this area. It doesn't look so one-toned. So that's it. I'm gonna go get dressed and do some phone footage. And yeah, I'll be back with the phone footage. So that is it, you guys. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see y'all next time. Peace, love, and blessings.